Meet the chameleon, one of nature's strangest and most fascinating creatures. Its eyes? They move independently, allowing it to look in two directions at once. It's like having a 360 degrees security camera built right into its head. And look at that walk. Slow. Calculated. Like a tiny ninja balancing through life. Now let's talk color. Changing skin color isn't just for camouflage. Chameleons also do it to show emotion and communicate. Green for calm, dark for angry, and even bright colors to attract a mate. Nature never runs out of surprises. And the chameleon? It's a living, breathing mystery.